Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best of the best in home gadgets and appliances. Today we're diving into the world of fresh, homemade bread with our picks for the top 5 best bread makers in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, these machines will help you create delicious, bakery-quality bread right in your own kitchen. So, let's get kneading. And as always, you'll find links to the best deals on these bread makers in the description below, and be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Amazon Basics bread making machine. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, this is the one for you. With 7 pre-programmed settings, you can make a variety of bread, from whole wheat to gluten-free, with just a push of a button. The Amazon Basics Bread Maker is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen appliance designed to make fresh, homemade bread a breeze. With its 550-watt motor and non-stick interior, this bread maker can produce up to a 2-pound loaf, perfect for feeding the whole family. It takes care of every step, mixing, kneading, rising, and baking, so you can enjoy warm, freshly baked bread without the hassle. Need bread in a hurry? The Express Bake setting delivers delicious loaves in less than 90 minutes. This machine offers 14 customizable settings, allowing you to make a wide variety of breads, doughs, gluten-free options, jams, and more. You can also choose from 3 crust color options, light, medium, or dark, to perfectly suit your taste. The LCD display and intuitive button controls make operation simple and straightforward, ensuring a seamless baking experience from start to finish. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the Amazon Basics Bread Maker is a reliable companion for all your bread-making needs. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for those who want a simple, no-fuss bread-making experience. Plus, it's great for small kitchens. Coming in at number 4, we have the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. This sleek, modern machine offers 12 pre-programmed menu options, including options for gluten-free and artisan dough. The Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker, CBK 110P1, combines sleek design with advanced technology to deliver superior bread-making results. This machine is perfect for kitchens of any size, thanks to its vertical baking pan that saves counter space without sacrificing loaf size, baking up to a 2-pound loaf with ease. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, this bread maker takes the guesswork out of baking, making it incredibly easy to use. Whether you're making traditional white bread, whole wheat, or gluten-free, this machine has you covered. Customize your bread to perfection with 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, so you get the exact color and texture you desire. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup simple, while the lid with a viewing window allows you to monitor the baking process. Plus, the interior light lets you check your bread as it bakes, ensuring perfect results every time. With Cuisinart quality technology, you can count on this bread maker to deliver delicious, evenly baked bread with superior crust, color, and texture. Not only does it fit perfectly in smaller kitchens, but it also comes with a removable kneading paddle and bread pan, making cleanup a breeze. With a large viewing window, you can keep an eye on your bread as it bakes to perfection. At number 3, we have the Zoar Rushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker. This compact powerhouse is perfect for smaller households or those who want to bake smaller loaves. It features settings for regular bread, French bread, and even dough for pizza or cinnamon rolls. The Zoar Rushi BB HAC10 Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is the perfect solution for those with limited kitchen space who still want to enjoy fresh, homemade bread. This compact bread maker takes up less than 1 foot of countertop space and produces delightful 1-pound loaves, making it ideal for smaller households or anyone who prefers smaller batches. Despite its size, this bread maker is incredibly versatile. It not only makes a variety of bread, including basic, French, and quick bread, but also handles cookie dough, pasta dough, and even jam. For those on a tight schedule, the convenient quick bake setting can deliver fresh bread in under 2 hours. The 13-hour delay timer allows you to prepare ingredients in advance and wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. With easy-to-follow video instructions, the Zoar Rushi Mini Bread Maker is user-friendly and designed for stress-free baking. Whether you're an experienced baker or a beginner, this compact bread maker makes creating delicious homemade bread easier than ever. The Zoar Mini is all about precision and quality, ensuring your bread comes out just the way you like it, every time. And with its 1-pound loaf capacity, it's ideal for daily baking without waste. Taking the number 2 spot is the Breville Custom Loaf Maker. If you're all about customization, this machine is for you. It offers 4 loaf sizes and 3 crust colors, with 13 automatic settings to choose from. Want to get creative? You can even add ingredients like nuts, fruits, or chocolate chips during the baking cycle. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker, BBM 800XL, is a premium kitchen appliance designed to elevate your bread-making experience with innovative features and customizable options. Crafted from brushed stainless steel, this bread maker combines style and functionality, making it a standout in any kitchen. One of its unique features is the automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which releases ingredients at the perfect time during the kneading process, ensuring they are evenly mixed into the dough. Additionally, the collapsible kneading paddle thoroughly mixes ingredients and then collapses before baking, minimizing the hole at the base of the loaf for a more aesthetically pleasing result. The smart LCD screen offers a clear progress indicator and provides 13 automatic settings, 3 crust color options, and 4 loaf sizes ranging from 1 to 2.5 pounds, making it versatile enough to meet the needs of any household. Whether you're baking a basic loaf, whole wheat, gluten-free, or something more adventurous, the 46 step-by-step recipes included ensure you'll have plenty of options to explore. With an 830-watt power output, the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker delivers professional quality results with ease, making it an essential addition to any home baker's toolkit. With its smart LCD screen and automatic fruit and nut dispenser, the Breville Custom Loaf Maker takes the guesswork out of bread making. It's versatile, user-friendly, and perfect for home bakers who want to experiment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zoar Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. This is the ultimate bread-making machine, known for its consistency, durability, and outstanding performance. With dual heaters on the bottom and lid, you get perfectly browned, evenly baked loaves every time. The Zoar BB PDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is the ultimate solution for creating a wide variety of healthy and delicious breads at home. Capable of baking a 2-pound loaf, this advanced bread maker offers various healthy course settings, including multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan, catering to all dietary needs. Equipped with double kneading blades, this machine thoroughly kneads the dough, ensuring superior texture and results. Additionally, the dual heaters on both the bottom and lid promote even baking and browning, giving your bread that perfect golden finish every time. For those who need bread in a hurry, the rapid courses allow you to bake a loaf of white or whole wheat bread in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. The large, easy-to-read LCD display and convenient key code on the lid simplify course selection, making the baking process effortless. With a 120-volt/700-watt electrical rating and a 39-inch cord length, this bread maker combines power and convenience in a sleek design. The Zoar Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is your go-to appliance for baking fresh, wholesome bread right in your own kitchen. It also offers a wide range of settings, from whole wheat to gluten-free, and even a homemade course that allows you to program your own knead, rise, and bake times. Whether you're a pro baker or just getting started, the Virtuoso Plus delivers professional quality results right at home. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best bread makers in 2024. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a machine that can handle all your bread-making needs, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on these bread makers. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Happy baking, and we'll see you in the next video.